The rear bench seat can be folded up for increased storage capacity, or down when you need to access the child restraint anchor points located behind it. First, lift this lever while lifting up on the front of the seat cushion. Then, fold the bottom of the seat cushion toward the back of the vehicle until it locks in place. For additional storage, follow this same procedure with the seat cushion on the other side of the vehicle. To return the cushions to seating positions, lift the lever to release the seat from the locked position. Push down until the seat cushion is in place. The top tether anchor points for a child's safety restraint are behind the rear bench seat. To access them, lift up on this pull strap on the seat back and tilt the rear seat back forward. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.